Good morning. We are back in the office today. Hope everybody had a good day off if you were off. Today we've got the Rhino Rescue Bleeding Control Kit. This is more of a refill type item or a filler for your IFAC or first aid kit. Just got it in the mail and we're going to open it up and see what you get inside. And this bag is marked as reusable. I think it has a Ziploc type closure. Okay, so that bag may not want to reuse. First thing you've got is a laminated card that describes the bleeding control kit and then gives you some tips about how to use it, what and when. Then it's a vacuum sealed plastic pack here. Rhino kit tourniquet, plastic wrapped. Hemostatic gauze, clot gauze for wound packing. Try to get the blood flow stopped, always important. Compression gauze. Emergency bandage. Shears. Emergency blanket, space blanket, whatever you like to call those. It's those foil looking high shine blanket. And then another compressed gauze. And one more thing, latex-free gloves. So if you're handling someone and you don't want blood and bodily fluids all over you, at least keep some of your hands safe. It's always a good idea to have a bleeding control kit when you're out on the range or hunting. There have been a lot of accidents, especially with upcoming archery season. Somebody gets an arrow or a bolt through them, unfortunately. Having something like a tourniquet might save their life. Thank you for watching. And here's an overview of what comes in the kit with a little better look. You've got your card, your hemostatic gauze, your tourniquet, your emergency blanket, your two small compressed gauze, your emergency bandage, and your shears. And then there's the bag that everything comes in that is resealable. So you can carry it in that, or if you have a pouch, pack, bag, however you like to carry it. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like what we're doing, consider giving us a subscribe.